Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to explore the biosynthesis and function of melatonin, the fascinating hormone of darkness that regulates our sleep-awake cycle. We will see how this hormone is synthesized from the amino acid tryptophan in our pineal gland and understand its vital roles in coordinating circadian rhythm, reproduction, and overall body balance. So, let's dive in and uncover how tiny molecules of melatonin keep our biological clock ticking in perfect harmony. Introduction. Melatonin is basically a hormone secreted mainly from the pineal gland in vertebrates. It plays a vital role in regulating the circadian rhythm or biological clock, sleep-awake cycles, and seasonal reproductive activities. It is often called the hormones of darkness as its secretion increases during the night time. Biosynthesis of melatonin, site of synthesis, pineal gland or epiphysis cerebri located near the center of the brain between the two cerebral hemispheres. They are also produced in smaller amounts in retina, gut, and skin. The precursor molecule for melatonin synthesis is the amino acid tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid obtained from our diet. Biosynthetic pathway for melatonin synthesis. First of all, the amino acid tryptophan is converted into 5-hydroxytryptophan. It is the first step. In this step, tryptophan hydroxylase enzyme is required, and as a cofactor, tryptophan hydrobiopterin is needed. It is the reaction is hydroxylation. This is hydroxylation reaction, and folate is also used in this step. From the 5-hydroxy tryptophan, serotonin or 5-hydroxytryptamine is produced with the help of the enzyme aromatic L amino acid decarboxylase, and it is the decarboxylation reaction. And from the serotonin, N-acetyl serotonin is produced with the help of the enzyme serotonin N-acetyl transferase SNAT or aryl alkaline alkylamine N-acetyl transferase with the help of the cofactor acetyl-CoA. This is the rate limiting step of the biosynthesis procedure of melatonin, and it is controlled by the light-dark cycle via sympathetic innervation from the suprachiasmatic nucleus. N-acetyl serotonin is converted in the last step into melatonin or N-acetyl 5-methoxytryptamine with the help of the enzyme hydroxyindole O-methyl transferase or acetyl serotonin O-methyl transferase. Here the cofactor is S-adenosyl methionine. So the summary of the reaction pathway is tryptophan is converted into 5-hydroxytryptophan, then it will produce serotonin, then N-acetyl serotonin, and further melatonin is produced. Regulation of melatonin secretion. Melatonin is stimulated during the darkness and inhibited by night. Suprachiasmatic nucleus SCN of the hypothalamus regulates pineal activity via sympathetic nervous system. Peak secretion occurs during at night 2 to 4 am and the lowest levels occurs during the daytime. Functions of melatonin: regulation of circadian rhythm. It maintains the body's sleep awake cycle. It induces sleepiness at night and synchronizes biological clocks with the external day night cycle. Regulation of seasonal reproduction. In seasonal breeders, melatonin controls reproductive activity by influencing gonadotropin releasing hormone or GnRH secretion. Long nights promotes high melatonin and it suppresses gonadal activity in short day breeders. Antioxidant properties of melatonin, which act as a potent free radical scavenger. It protects cells and DNA from oxidative damage. Immune regulation: it enhances the activity of T and B lymphocytes, macrophages, and natural killer cells or NK cells. It reduces neuronal damage and supports neuronal regeneration. It provides protection in neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Endocrine modulation: it influences secretion of growth hormone, cortisol, insulin, and gonadotropins. Mood regulation: low melatonin levels are associated with depression, seasonal affective disorder SAD, or insomnia. There is a clinical significance: the insomnia or jet lag, the role of melatonin. Melatonin supplements improve sleep quality and reset biological clock. Shift work, sleep disorder, melatonin helps maintain circadian rhythm. Seasonal affective disorder or SAD, light therapy combined with melatonin improves mood. And anti-aging, melatonin may delay aging by reducing oxidative stress. So my dear students, today we have discovered how melatonin, the hormones of darkness, is synthesized from the amino acid tryptophan within pineal gland, and how it beautifully regulates our sleep awake rhythm, seasonal cycles, and overall body balance. From maintaining circadian rhythm to acting as a natural antioxidant, melatonin truly keeps our internal clock in true with nature. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing hormone, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting lessons in physiology and endocrinology. See you in the next class. Thank you.